Erizo bahaba umukoro gwo kurahiza ba kansara ba Bushenyi Shaka Municipality kandi babanza no kurahiza meya wa municipality His Worship Byaranga Richard otori nwabwe kisange kindi kandi yahebwe bukwato oguyasha abantu bonokora hamwe.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful services to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
I, Ayabale Bridget, swear in the name of our Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Nabwa nyuma habaho kurahiza ba kansara ecyakuratirwa kuronda speaker Honorable Nimwesiga Andrew ubatorana kwate bende ya NRM mu Karuro mu Kasheshe yabanaritana no wa Mwesimbaho nka Independent Nimwesiga Herbert kanda hamhero wa Independent Nimwesiga Herbert kansara wa Ward 4 yasinga Karura karkwiyo bururu 20 kandi mutayiwe yihaye 13.
kugira wene gatekanya bahanga neshajona akubana ariko umuntu yita kusura bibaza kuba yahengesha ndisika wisengere so yeza kusaba His Worship the Mayor because I was him working under his office as the Secretary for Works. Let us cooperate. Let's unite our council.
Ile nushanga mu entaro ziriside gineji obundi ahagati nkaya meya na speaker konka kuba kwijana bakuguka umukureba nyoni ndeba kanso yaza werizo manga stakeholder wa Bushenyi Shaka Municipality nindeba ngo kanso eje yaza ku neja na munonga turiyo ntuzo mu tamu ya Usmaid really nibija kugira umugasho gubakora ahabo kuba kurugana tutana na hakanso enkuru
twagambaho nabamumba kansara kandi ho nabatugambira mwavire nibico kanse hwirenteje nangwa neba kuza kutandikiraho
enguto turiyo ntuziri nzichakwe kirukuru mu bantu bito aba municipality enguto amashanyara bitara by'amashanyarazi kubanga twateka mu phase 1 tunefiteka mu phase 2 kubasa kuba tuza burantona kandi kuna nagambira Usmaid kweza kwija tutandikira ngo tunebite.
Honorable Anna Tugineyo orkansara w'abantu bino burema mbiri niwe yarunda ko muhwezi wa speaker kandi Milton Betungura kansara wa Rwenjeru Nyakabirizi yarundwa ko muhwezi wa meya amakuru agasha Onesmus ndiye nabo.